KITHURANO kia ARIMU kiri ngwataniro yao ya NAT ni kiremere gwitana mbere nyuma yakyo gukandwa untu buria butumite borithi gutonyera borithi ni bagerete TEARGAS kenda kwaragania ARIMU baba baraba gukari bari kwambiriria kugerana nkundi kiri KITHURANO giki kira gikuthithikirite skuru ya NJIA special untu buria bumeneretwe bunene ni ARIMU ba skuru eje bakiuga AANA arito ba skuru eje barabari na mawathe ni baringikite nontu bwa TEARGAS Dennis Mugendi na gutwacho
Ruiro rwa ARIMU na toka bali mashindano ni jandwiro hindi abo kithitwe makari ni borithi nyuma ya mbara na nkusani kumira katikati kao ntukune iji bakuthithagia KITHURANO kia arungamiri bao bakiama gia KNUT takiona cukuru ni NJIA special wandi ni akangite Yembe Central na juu mutego jo makindu jo gwatagia jo kario na jati kario arito basukuru ija NJIA special bali na mawathe bagwatirwo na kulirani TEARGAS iria ARIMU baringiritwe ni borithi kirinsa basano iji ni ikarika rimeneretwe ni ARIMU bakianda magi bamwe bao kwangata ni KITHURANO giki bakwoni bagushindwa ni bare batekwirigirite na kairi kwagi mibango itaririte ya KITHURANO untu nandi bagwitia kingi gikega kuthithika guntu kungi na tema cukuru kana tunisene.
Yes, woni betawa Muthoni Aluma na ndi member wa NAT ndene ya Nyambene branch in Kenya. Ni very sad kwetherwa ni tukuringwa na TEARGAS after twero KITHURANO kikwairishwa na twetikiria ni makosa yari gutwethia tutena sila tutena maia tutena kintu no kiriko utekintu tutaringa tutauria ngare police tutaringa kirasi kana turinga muntu nimbie to mitoko ndisabu wikirwa TEARGAS in an institution ana bongo abakuwa mbusukuru nimbie ule na no ore nyume manto yayonde. It is very sad and we are very unhappy. We are sad. Whoever has planned this, we cannot go by this. If it is the deep state, we are tutafagia hao wote, tunataka new people na tunataka fresh blood.
Inaendelea vizuri asubuhi, lakini kufika masaa fulani mambo ikaanza kutokea ambayo hatujaelewa. Alafu tutakuhusunisha ni kupiga TEARGAS hapa sipe kwa watoto wa special. Shule hao watoto wanalia hapo ndani. Wameumiza watoto bure, afadhali wangeongea waambie walimu watoke waende nyumbani kuliko kuumiza watoto. Shule ni vibaya, kama mimi mwalimu nashughulikia hao watoto. Alafu hao watoto wanaumizwa na tukiona ni special.
Ende baba utaranete baba kwarangaresio garamasio yoni ligo kitoteke kyo nonsense yau matoteke buru
ntoboibo thuku na bogari bote kubwa kere antu babe ya yaritani na bara bombe takwithwa baito magutwika gutina democracy ire batere kwithwa ri onontu muritani na batere kwithwa na real democracy such that utire muntu obatere kwithwa aina sababu ya kwithwa isindikisha bara kutibatere kwithwa kari kou katukua kuraiji inesi atuo chokerwa let the office work fairly na office ya NAT ni batere kwithwa very fair to everybody.
We have been 100% disappointed.
Solidarity forever. Na kutukiaraniria na munini wa mukadigiti wa kiama kia ARIMU Wesonga aria thira thina imwe ineniretetwo ni ARIMU baria baracokere kuma na aria bari bothamithirwa ni thirikari indi na ndi bacokwa ku kwao Nyambene na bono bakwenda gikuthura kana kuthurana mantu jatindingi kumbikana tontu bate gukarikirira register untu nandi jau jonde jagatigirwa ni kamiti ya nthiguru ya NAT KITHURANO kingi kithithwe gikiega.
It's not about ballot papers. Ballot papers were enough. Well rubber stamped, well checked, well serialized. The issues here that they are raising is neither here nor there. We should just talk about people wanting to vote because they had fixed or they had fixated minds that so and so must do what? Pass. The way forward is we have been sitting here to interrogate the loopholes. We have interrogated those loopholes as leaders of NAT in this region. We have interrogated, the minutes have been taken. We are going kwa halmashauri kuu, National Executive Council of NAT, under the leadership of the Secretary General, we look at those all weak points, do them away, do the register properly, and give our teachers another opportunity now to have a credible election where nobody will complain that he was rerouted back and is now not being allowed to do what? To vote.
Dennis Mugendi, Weru Wikendi, Sukuru NYANJIA, Special BAAO, Wandi Nyakangeta, Igembe Central, County ya Meru.